our La Sierra University Criminal Justice Campus. Here we are walking in the front desk. And we have our elevator to the left, stairs to the right. And we're gonna take it right here.
And then to our right, we're gonna be going into our policing classroom where we do have our gun simulations. And then this would be our classroom. And then right here is where our administration wing is gonna be, where all our admins
are just some offices. They have an open door policy, so we can visit them whenever we feel like it. They love talking to us.
Do you think we could cut it from here?
This is our hallway.
Here you're gonna see some paintings where it's gonna be some criminal justice, our bathrooms, our bulletin board. And then to our left is where we're gonna have our courtroom where we do hold some mock trials that I really do enjoy. And then we use this classroom for like a variety of different subjects.
Which shows you could actually go up here too. It's like my favorite thing. I've never had to be the judge. But one day, guys. Court dismissed.
And then some more classrooms and an office. And then a little secret passage to go upstairs.
Right,
oops, sorry.
This is one of our bigger classrooms. We have a lot of different classes in here. I think us personally, we've had policing in here. But yeah, it's pretty big. It fills up. It's pretty nice. Now we're gonna go upstairs. Through the back way.
See.
Alright, I'll take it from here. We have our top level. We're gonna start with my favorite room, which is our CSI lab. It is very nice. We have some of our stuff we use for our classes like blood spatter analysis, forensic science principles, and it's pretty nice. Wow. We've made some fun memories in this class. We also have the CSI Club. They host their meetings in here. It's really fun. Shout out Mr. Fuller. We have some fingerprints, latent prints. Oh, they told me not to do that. Sorry, guys. More fingerprint blood splatter. Oh. And some things from our class. We're going down the hallway. This is like our favorite little hangout spot because it has the criminal justice sign. And also you could look over the balcony right here. That's pretty cool. There's our elevator. That's where it goes. We have our computer lab. Hi guys. We spend a lot of our time in here. Over here, some more studying areas. Some offices. This is where our financial aid advisor, Vanessa, stays. And there's another one over there. More computers. We have plenty of computers. Here we have another computer room and our study room. This one's like a more private study room. We have a whiteboard. Great for your finals week, midterms, right? And we are gonna walk back downstairs. That's our place. See you here. We walked around.
Perfect.